Hello and welcome. I'm Kenna Johnson from the Channel Company. Networking, data storage, and servers are the building blocks of IT infrastructure. If any parts of the system go down, the results to your business can be catastrophic. Smart Third Party, the IT hardware maintenance and support company, understands these concerns. Here to share how Smart Third Party is offering an effective alternative to costly manufacturing maintenance is Ken Peck, president of Smart Third Party. Welcome, Ken.
Thanks, Kenna.
Thank you so much for joining me. Let's just get right to it. Third-party maintenance has been around for more than 30 years. What led to your success over the years, and what differentiates you from other third-party maintenance providers or TPMs?
If you look at it from a channel perspective, what differentiates Smart Third Party is the fact that we're a pure play, according to Gartner, TPM. And what makes us unique is that we're 100% channel. We do not have a direct sales force. Therefore, we do not compete with our channel partners. Then from an end user perspective, which again, those components are both interlocked, we offer what we call an enhanced break fix. What that means to the end user is that we go beyond a typical TPM break fix. We have invested heavily in our backline tier 4 engineering, which is your SME level expert help for more complex problems that go beyond a standard break fix.
According to Gartner, Smart Third Party is a pure play channel company, meaning you don't have a secondary hardware business. What does that mean for partners?
Gartner does not have a per se magic quadrant, but they do have a pyramid of 4 tiers, which a pure play is at the top of that pyramid. And what that simply means is that Smart Third Party on a day-to-day basis, when we show up, all we're thinking about is TPM. We aren't thinking about selling new used hardware. We aren't thinking about doing ancillary services. Our total focus is on delivering great TPM.
Many of your customers' infrastructures are becoming more complex as they migrate to the cloud and need a TPM with greater capabilities. How does Smart Third Party meet those needs?
At Smart Third Party, we have our Smart View, which is integrated with our portal. And the difference in our monitoring, it's actually designed for hardware maintenance. So if a drive fails, it gets the part number. If memory fails, you get the part number. And it's designed exclusively for delivery TPM.
How does Smart Third Party address challenges like channel conflict when 2 or more partners in a sales channel compete with each other?
And we create a level playing field for our partners. 2 ways we do that. One is with our Smart Label offering, which allows a partner to white label our service. And then they're basically selling their brand and competing with other players within the marketplace as their own brand. And secondly, we do it with pricing. And we create a level playing field for pricing, and we pretty much eliminate conflict more than anybody in the industry.
Thank you so much for joining me today, Ken, and thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Smart Third Party, visit the website at the bottom of your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.